The growth of international franchising is evident by the brands that are spreading across the globe. It's clearly a method of doing business that is catching on and will continue to grow. My name is Kendall Tyre. I'm a partner in the Washington office of Nixon Peabody. One of the first assignments that I had as an attorney was a franchise assignment. And I always wanted to marry whatever I did with something that was international. And so thus international franchising became something that I really liked and built my career around it. When a client calls, for instance, and they're interested in going to Zambia, you really have to have some understanding of what the legal requirements are for taking a foreign franchisor into Zambia. You have to have some appreciation of the local concerns, but also have a local counsel on the ground that can give you some guidance. About what's currently going on in franchising in Cuba right now? If in fact you're going into these countries
Pues en cuanto a las franquicias,
and you don't have adequate legal representation, or you're working with an attorney who doesn't know the laws, it's very easy to get in trouble. It's very easy to violate the laws. And so I thought that writing a book that detailed the laws in these emerging far-off countries would really be helpful in growing a practice and actually being able to provide insight as to what it actually takes to represent a client in Nigeria or Kazakhstan or Kuwait. Until now, there really hasn't been a resource which compiles all the relevant laws and regulations that you'll need to adequately represent your client. The book is a collaboration of over 60 attorneys that not only address the legal and regulatory requirements, but also provide some insight into the actual practice of law in their jurisdictions. There is some change in some local legislation. Pulling it all together makes it one of the most unique books in the marketplace for franchise lawyers and business people who are interested in expanding their franchise systems. What we're really trying to do is provide information and access to information that hasn't been provided before, to open doors of knowledge, open doors of insight to representing clients in the franchise industry.